Aloha and welcome to this class that will teach you the easy way to create free hair care from nature's infinite abundance around you. It's high time we replace those corporate chemical laden shampoos and hair dyes and all that packaging and expense and waste products with something that we can get free from our gardens with a simple process that I'm going to teach you in this course. And you will actually thrive by nourishing your hair as you go through your body care routine. It leaves your hair and skin feeling healthy and looking great, and saves all those plastic bottles from going to the landfill. And really, if you look at the ingredients on those bottles, there's a lot of stuff in there that we don't know what it is and how it might affect our body chemistry. So I just really love this. My name is Tutu Signs. I've been using this for over 7 years. I use garden produce to clean my hair, moisturize it, and hair color. I add hair coloring. That's how, because I am going gray and I do have this brown hair coloring that I get from pecan husks, which is fun. And there's lots of different garden produce that can dye your hair as well. So what we're going to be doing is teaching you this simple method that um, I've been using for the last 7 years. And you can use the exact same formula that I use, or you can vary it depending on your own needs or desires. And I'll give you all the information that I have about how you can create some fun hair care products for yourself. Okay, so thank you for joining the course, and let's move on to lesson 1.